embarrassment to him. Look at little Goblin Jr.
Heard that? Now check this out.
Loki, I thought the world of you. I thought we were going to fight side by side forever, but at the end of the day, you're you and I'm me.
Both voices belong to a man, but the difference is obvious. The first voice is normal, flat, no weight to it. The second voice is deep, heavy, every word carries weight. That one small difference changes everything. A deep voice comes with more benefits than you'd expect. Women are naturally drawn to men with deep voices. It sounds attractive, it sounds masculine. That's a real advantage in your dating life, just from your voice alone. And it doesn't stop there. A guy with a deep voice naturally commands more respect and attention. People actually listen when you talk. You don't have to prove anything. And deep down, you already know all this. That's exactly why you clicked on this video. So today, I'm going to give you 10 secrets that will help you get that deep, confident voice. 1. Humming activation. Every morning, spend 3 minutes just making a sound. For example, this activates your diaphragm and wakes up your natural deep range. It'll feel weird at first, but you'll notice the difference within a week. 2. Tongue drop technique. Most people keep their tongue pressed up near the roof of their mouth when they speak. This makes the voice sound thin and nasal. Practice keeping your tongue relaxed and low, resting on the floor of your jaw. Pause right now and try saying something with your tongue down. You'll feel the difference instantly. 3. Vocal hydration rule. A dry throat means a weak, raspy voice. Drink at least 2.5-3 liters of water a day. Hydrated vocal cords keep your voice smooth and full, not thin. 4. Diaphragm power breathing. A deep voice doesn't come from your throat. It comes from your stomach. Breathe in so your stomach expands, not your chest. And as you breathe out, let out a soft, humming sound. Practice this for 5 minutes daily. It's the foundation everything else builds on. 5. Nose breathing dominance. Stop breathing through your mouth and make nose breathing your default. Too much mouth breathing dries out and damages your vocal cords. Controlled masculine breathing always comes through the nose. 6. Pen fan control drill. Hold a pen or small fan lightly between your teeth and try to speak normally. Practice for 5-10 minutes a day. This strengthens your jaw and tongue muscles and sharpens control over your words, the base of a clear, heavy voice. 7. Neck strength formula. The muscles surrounding your vocal cords are called the sternocleidomastoid muscles. When they're weak, your voice sounds thinner and higher pitched. Do neck extensions, neck rotations, and lateral bends daily. 2-minute sets twice a day. 8. Testosterone voice hack. Testosterone plays a direct role in the growth and thickness of your vocal cords. The most effective natural way to boost it: sprinting. 3 sets, 3 days a week. Bonus: less facial bloating, clearer skin. 9. Anti-nasal voice training. Pinch your nose lightly and try to speak.
How to get a deep voice.
You'll hear that thin nasal tone. Now try to speak the same way without that nasal sound.
How to get a deep voice.
Practice daily and your voice will gradually shift from nasal to a heavier, chest-driven tone. 10. Authority speaking code. Speak slow. Keep your volume low, not your tone. Pause before you respond. Process first, then speak. Listen first, then talk. Speaking too fast and too loud doesn't just strain your vocal cords, it weakens your authority too. Real confidence never rushes. It speaks at ease. A deep voice isn't some magic trick, it's a skill. And skills are built through practice. Just 10-15 minutes a day on these exercises, and within a month you'll hear the difference yourself. If you're serious about leveling up your presence and personality, hit subscribe, because there's a lot more practical, science-backed content coming your way.